Hello everyone. Let's dive into the JADENS D11 label maker. This mini label maker aims to bring organization to your home and office. What sets it apart is its smart app control. Unlike traditional label makers, the D11 connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, offering a user-friendly experience through its free app. Available for both iOS and Android, the app lets you customize labels with various fonts, languages, and templates. The JADENS D11 isn't just about ease of use. It's also about creating durable labels. The machine handles various label types, including mailing codes, UPC codes, QR barcodes, and address labels. It even supports transparent labels. The labels are fade-resistant, waterproof, and oil-proof, ensuring they withstand various conditions. Cost-effectiveness is another key feature. The D11 uses thermal printing technology, eliminating the need for ink. It's also rechargeable, offering 4 to 5 hours of continuous use on a full charge. This can save a significant amount of money compared to traditional label makers that require ink cartridges. The JADENS D11 is a compact and portable labeling solution. Its Bluetooth connectivity and rechargeable battery make it convenient for on-the-go use. The app integration expands its functionality, offering a range of customization options.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.